recorded this video long ago. It was resting in my archive. Hard to share with you now. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I will show you an amazing puzzle game. Let's open it and see what's inside. Wow! It has 15 puzzle pieces. It has 60 puzzle challenge cards. Let's find out. Here are the challenges. This one is called Rooster. Let's solve it. It looks easy, but all it hard and time confusing, time consuming. I hope you enjoy video, and to all of you, I will be back with more fun stuff. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.